Today we will talk about XDC, how it connects into IBM along with things like XLM, XRP, Casper, HBAR, Quant, and others, and talk about plugin PLI, which has performed extremely well over the past few days. And I have talked about this about a month or a month and a half ago when it was at about this 300 mark. The XDC ecosystem is one that, in my opinion, is too big to fail. And that is because of all of the ties in with trade tech and the UN, just as a couple of examples. A lot of that is because it is connected into IBM and its Hyperledger platform, primarily because of R3 Corda, which has ties into SBI and Ripple and XRP, but into the DTCC and even Swift as well. It is also the chain that is concentrating on trade finance, which is an industry worth about 30 trillion per year on the high side right now. But it also connects into real world asset tokenization in gold, finance, and others. It is also connected into Securitize, which is used by BlackRock to tokenize funds. TradeFinex is also connected into IBM, which is also connected into SBI and Ripple and XRP and Impel in a joint venture. Today we will talk about Plugin, though, as it is a L2 on XDC that has a $6 million market cap with a lot planned in Q2 of 2024. I have been wanting to specifically talk about PLI for a while now, and I honestly just haven't gotten around to it. So I requested Dom to provide an overview, and Plugin is all about pulling in real-time data into the XDC network to enhance its smart contracts. It was created by, can't pronounce that name, I apologize, who is an expert in banking and finance with over 40 years of experience, who comes out of the State Bank of India and who created the Suvi group in the UAE. The other guy has 15 years in banking, insurance, and wealth management, and the Suvi group has ties into IT, advisory, and startups in the UAE, India, and the US. In 2023, PLI added features like the plugin improvement protocol and crop loss compensation. It was included in expansion initiatives like the XDC Center of Excellence for blockchain in academia, and has provided real-world applications with projects like the Agency Connect app and MedAvatar to highlight how they are able to tackle real-world problems. They are strengthening infrastructure and developing full node setups to prepare for scalability. And they have accomplished over 90% of what was on their 2023 roadmap. In 2024, they are preparing to expand into multiple chains, get into gaming, and advance in real-world asset tokenization, along with enhancing their RPC services and tackling projects related to the MLETR, which is the UN model law on electronic transferable records, which is heavily tied into XDC's connections into international trade finance. Here is the site, and it talks about how it is a decentralized oracle on XDC.
Plugin is a secure, scalable, and decentralized Oracle platform running on the XDC network. Plugin focuses on providing a cost-effective solution to node operators and end users that require reliable data on their blockchain through a decentralized Oracle service. The plugin ecosystem comprises users, parties using data feeds from plugin, independent node operators. They operate based on registered job specifications, data feed providers, blockchain network. As well, plugin's decentralized Oracle network offers unmatched security levels, decentralized architecture to prevent single-point failure, censorship resistance, deterrence against malicious activities from bad actors, a developer-friendly interface to ease deployment and operation of smart contacts on XDC Network's ecosystem, a tested platform for quality assurance, dedicated support delivered by plugins engineers, enterprise-grade SLAs up to 24/7, reliable data feeds. Plugin use cases include decentralized finance, plugin weather forecast node, pollution check, crop insurance, synthetic assets, and much more. Currently, Plugin's total market supply is 500 million tokens. Plugin also features unique tokenomics. Users requesting data feeds make payment in Plugin, and node farmers receive payment in Plugin for completing specified tasks. Plugin tasks or jobs fall into two categories: plugin initiators and plugin adapters. Plugin also employs a unique allocation mechanism for its stakeholders. 18%, the promoters and founders, token under vesting period using smart contract. 2%, core team members, token under vesting period using smart contract. 10%, community placement. 10%, contingency. 40%, ecosystems adoption and development rewards. 5%, technology ops. 15%, advisors, partnership, market making, and exchange listings, etc. For node setup, the plugin network offers a toolkit that includes plugin core, plugin deployment, external adapter, external initiator, XDC Explorer, XinFin Remix, XDC Pay, PLI Faucet, etc. Currently, plugin, ticker PLI, is listed on various prominent crypto exchanges such as Bitrue, Bitmart, Probit, and Liquid. In the future, it will continue to list on more such major exchanges.
In the next one I do on plugin, I'll review the white paper, partnerships, and other examples of how it is being used right now. But because this is primarily a response to its price action and to increase awareness, how about we talk about price predictions? And if we compare it to tokens that have recently pumped, if we compare it up against SHX, based on its current market cap, it would be about 30 cents. And at its all-time high would be just under 55 cents. And comparing it to Velo right now would be a PLI of $1.20. But if we compare it to Velo at its all-time high, that would be $1.37, which is still only at a $208 million market cap, which is not a whole lot.